Here's a fun fact about Taylor. Always in the background. Today we're gonna be making Pink Petitgrain. Taylor is gonna be our compounder. This product is so perfect after you've had a really long day and you just wanna have a nice bath with some lovely pink fluffy bubbles. First, Taylor is going to pour and measure the essential oils like grapefruit and petitgrain. Next, he'll prep the color and blend it all together.
It's bright, it's fluorescent, very bright.
Glycerin is added to keep the skin soft and moisturized, and then it's brought to the mixer where Taylor will also add a healthy dose of sodium sulfate. Wow, look at that color! So then, once Taylor's finished all the compounding, he takes the mix over to my lovely PAs, and they'll press the mix into a flower-shaped mold. We add the dowel, and then you're ready for spinning.
And that's how it's made.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment down below and let us know what you would like to see on the next How It's Made.